I'm Bruce Coane, and today I'm going to be talking about job problems and being off the work schedule. What does that mean? We often represent people who are workers in restaurants, in retail stores, and every week their schedule changes, and a schedule would be posted up on the wall, and their name would appear on it, and they can see what days and hours they'll be working. Problem is, sometimes if there's some issues going on at work with the worker, with management, there could be a situation where the worker is not on the schedule. What happens then? I meet many people whose names are not on the work schedule, typically when they've had a problem with a manager. Well, first of all, I recommend that they talk to the manager, supervisor, whoever's making the work schedule, and find out why they're not on the work schedule. Sometimes that supervisor or manager won't talk to them or ignores their requests. Then I suggest they put it in writing, send an email or perhaps a fax asking why they're not on the work schedule. Eventually, if a week or 2 weeks go by and you're not on the work schedule, then in some cases I'd recommend perhaps file for unemployment, because it looks like the employer is firing you, although for whatever reason they're not telling you you're fired. Actually, this is fairly common. I've seen it numerous times in my office. Maybe once a month I see it, where somebody's off the work schedule and the employer is not putting them on it. So you can file for unemployment. In addition, even though you may be an at-will employee, if you think that the reason that you're not being put on that work schedule is due to your age, race, sex, national origin, religion, or disability, you could have a legal claim. And at our office, of course, we represent people bringing those legal claims, with the initial filings being at the EEOC office. But definitely, to summarize, you should go ahead and ask to be put on the schedule, email, fax, so the employer knows you want to be put on that schedule. And if that doesn't work, the next step would probably be to file for unemployment, and if it looks like they're not putting you back on, and then possibly bringing a discrimination claim for wrongful discharge if you believe you have the facts to support that type of claim.